Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's home cooking. On today's episode, on your request, I want to show you how I make puri. Making puri is super easy, and most of you know how to make puri, but since you have requested this, you want to see my recipe, which is it is really basic, and all you're gonna need is in this bowl, all I have is all-purpose flour, and I have just a teaspoon of salt, and the flour is about like 1.5 pounds. It's like about 4 cups. I need some oil. I'm using olive oil for the butter, and then warm water, and then for deep fries of puri, I'm using just vegetable oil. So first thing I'm gonna do, get that lid out, and I'm gonna do this by hand. Just mix the salt, and then just create a well in the middle. We're gonna add oil. I'm using 2 tablespoons, eyeballing, and then add your water. Water is little by little, and now we're gonna keep mixing until turn into a really nice and smooth dough. Alright, so knead the dough well. After that, just keep a little bit of dry flour on the side. You can, if you feel it's sticky, just add a little bit of dry flour, and then you can just work the dough. It will be easier, less stickier. And now you can see our dough is so smooth. Nice and smooth. And now just take some oil into your hand, just a little bit, and then just gonna put the oil around this dough, just because this dough is going to rest for 10 minutes. We don't want any crust created. We don't want to see any crust on this dough on top. So this is why we add a little bit of oil. And now I'm gonna go cover this and let it sit for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna move forward. And now it's time to unwrap this bowl, and we're gonna start creating balls a size of a golf ball. Now try to put some dry flour into your hand. Now there's 2 ways to make puri. One is, if you don't want to put dry flour on your counter and roll, don't do it. Just put oil on your counter and then roll it. That's another way, but I will go this way today, just because I feel like it, but that's just an option. You can do that. And yeah, just the size of a golf ball, just like that. You can do all the balls first, and then keep rolling them one after the other. That will be the best. And at this time, you can just preheat your oil over medium heat, and then once we roll this, we're gonna go fry this. And now I just want to show you how big I want to do mine, and how small you want to do yours. That's really up to you, but I want to show you the thickness that I want this to be. Too thick will not be that good, but in just between. Not too thick, not too thin. I would say just in about just like that. I can't really measure. I would say quarter centimeter. Inch. Here we use inches, so I just keep getting confused with centimeter and the inches. So yeah, we're just gonna do this about quarter centimeter, and I'm gonna go roll all of them like that, and then we're gonna go fry them. Oil is hot enough, ready to fry, and now we're gonna fry the puri one by one. have a sauté spoon ready, and then all you're gonna do is keep just like pressing down the dough. Okay. See, when you leave the dough to rest, and this is the result that you get. The fluffy, like a pillow puri. And the puri doesn't take too long to fry. A minute and a half, including flipping them on the other side, will be enough. I'll just flip over. We're not gonna let this get golden brown. Slightly brown color is okay. This puri is looking so pretty, guys. I'm hungry. I have just added my second one, and keep pressing down the dough. The dough has to stay in oil, or you can just take the spoon and try to put the oil just like that. Okay. Flip over. Okay guys, all of the puri is ready. For a pound and a half of flour, you're gonna get 10 puris depending on the size that you're making it. I think this is a perfect size to have a puri, and this is how it looks like. It is actually, if you let the oil drain properly, then your puri will not be that oily. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. I will see you next time. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye.